Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Garuda Linux Mokka edition on VirtualBox. First go to Garuda Linux official website and download. That is Garuda linux.org. Hit enter, then click on downloads. See here the versions Garuda Mokka, and also see here the features. Easy to use, beautiful sleek design, very customizable, high amount of additional theme resources. Okay, and we have other editions also. Okay, so in this video we are going to see Garuda Mokka edition on VirtualBox. Click on download. See, before you begin, make sure to meet following requirements like 38 GB storage space, 4 GB of RAM, a graphics card supporting at least OpenGL 3.3, 64-bit processor, USB stick. Okay, and see here direct downloads, download from source first and by using torrent link. I have downloaded by using torrent link. Click on it. If you want to direct download, click on it. See, download started. See, this is the direct download, and see here size is 2.9 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded by using this torrent link. Okay, let me show you. Click on this torrent link. Go to here. See here, I have downloaded Garuda Mokka 6th Gen edition. Okay, in your case, wait until download completes. You can download by using either direct method by clicking on this direct, or so by using source first or torrent. Okay, so once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox on your machine, there is a link in the video description, or search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox. Click on it. Now click on new, or see, these are the list of the virtual machines available in my VirtualBox manager. If you want to create new virtual machine, we have to click on new or machine and select new. Either is fine. Here we have to provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving Garuda. Name can be anything. Then select the path to store this virtual machine files and folders. See, the default location is, this is the default location. But if you want some other location, select drop down and select other. Then select the location where you have the enough space. Select the folder, then select the downloaded ISO file. Go to other, go to downloads directly. See here, I have the Garuda Mokka Linux ISO file. Select it, open it, then select other. Here, select Linux and select subtype as Arch Linux. It is of type Arch Linux. Okay, and version Arch Linux 64-bit. Then go to hardware. Here give the memory as 4 gigabytes. It is up to you, but the recommended is 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU equals to hard disk. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click, then settings, or click on settings, or go to machine and select settings. All three options are same. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on start, or right click and select the start. Okay, either is fine. The one more option is go to settings, system, USB pointing device, select USB tablet. Okay, click on OK, click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the option like boot with open source drivers or boot allowing proprietary drivers. I am going with boot with open source drivers. Hit enter. See, if cursor is grayed out, just press right control from your keyboard to release the cursor. See here, it is Garuda Linux Mokka. Let me maximize it. Double click on this. See, now we got the full screen. See here, we have different options like system settings, etc. But if you want to install permanently, click on this install Garuda Linux. Select the language and click on next. Select your region on this globe and click on continue. Like region, then select the respective zones. Okay, I am okay with the default, so click on next. Keyboard, so I am okay with the default, so click on next. So this is the fresh installation. Select the erase disk and click on next. Now we have to create our setup user. So I'm giving username as r2schools. Then see, this is the user full name, and this is the username, and this is the host name. Okay, our computer name we can change. Okay, I'm giving Garuda M VM. Later also you can change this host name. Provide the password, confirm the same, use the same password for administrator account. Okay, then click on next. See, this is the installation summary. Still, if you want to modify any one of these settings, you have to click on back, and you can change the settings, then come forward. Now click on install. See, this is just for confirmation. Click on install now. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I'm going to pause this video. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Now go to VirtualBox manager. Before rebooting, just click on this virtual. Just click on this secondary device. Then select remove disk from virtual drive. Now it is empty. Then now click on restart now. Select this restart now checkbox and click on done. Now provide the password that we have set for this user. Garuda setup assistant. If you want to set up, click on OK. Otherwise, cancel. Click on OK. If you want to configure any one of them, you can click on it. Now open terminal or console. Now type more slash etc os hyphen release. See, we have installed Garuda Linux. See, its a code is ID is like awk. Now update the packages. Sudo pacman hyphen sudo pacman hyphen space hyphen caps s y and u. Control L to clear screen. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, now it is updating. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Garuda Linux Mokka edition on VirtualBox. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.